And then like y'all showed up. And
So
showed
do we
up.
have a YouTube channel?
Some days.
Get her. Where's the camera been all day?
Presley's had it.
Where's the camera been all day?
I don't know, Mama Squirrel. Probably not where it should have been.
Okay.
Not in Chase's hand, walking around telling everybody what's going on.
Okay. What's going on, Blaze?
What's going on? Well, we're just putting final touches on this right rear tire for the crate zinger. What else? The modified's done.
Uncle Blaze just found out that there's 42, what did you call them? Super lattes?
No, there's 49 super latte models. And we got 40 crate cars. How many modifieds? Probably
30 something.
30 something, really?
Yeah.
You know what I want? I don't
32
want
open wheel
I don't want
modified.
to see any B-mains.
Nope.
No B-mains.
You don't have to go up there and watch them.
You better not be in
Doesn't mean
them.
we won't be in them.
No, actually tonight, I promise you, nobody will be in a B-main tonight.
Because there's not.
There's no B-mains tonight, Smarty. Honey, what you think? Mike.
Comment here if you think we need another crate late model.
Let's show them around the car.
Did you know Chase is doing CrossFit again?
Really? He's doing
You
CrossFit?
can't tell?
I thought he slimmed down a little bit, but I didn't know why. I thought he went on a diet or something. That's good. Good for him.
Oh my goodness. Who is this?
This is the one and only, the most famous. Yeah, I lost it. Brian Fallon. I was thinking of somebody that you didn't get along with. I was gonna say.
I get along with everyone.
Next era.
Loves and hugs is all I got.
That's it. That's it. Yeah.
And who does Fowler represent?
Himself.
And the name of his business is,
Next Era Signs and Designs.
so like he does wraps.
He does all kinds of stuff. He's for the people. He said that.
People.
Whatever they need.
For the people?
For the people.
Are you a politician?
He can be.
I don't know, they're kind of crooked.
Alright, it is night 2 of the Fall Classic. Why Not Motorsports Park? We're going to be the first class out in the 604, and I think maybe the third or fourth class out in the A-Mod here. Probably need to warm it up too. Alright. What you got, Mike?
Oh, just the cushion.
The cushion?
It's a good product, though.
Okay. Good job, driver. Quick time, huh?
Yeah.
They
got
cut a tire sample. That's what we're here for, baby.
How was it, buddy?
Yeah, it's good.
It looked real good.
Honestly, I think you could have moved down. It was pretty quick, about a lane or two down from where you was, but I ain't complaining. That's pretty good.
Sounded like you were.
It was good. But
I mean,
it could have been bad.
it sound yeah, like oh yeah, it was good, but
Not good enough.
What a sweet lady. Say, I love
Think I
Mama's
hate
Grill.
you?
Sometimes.
Really?
Wow.
I don't hate you.
Sometimes.
I don't hate you.
Yeah. What a sweet lady.
Kirsten snitched on you.
Thank you, Kirsten.
He said, "What a secret." What?
So, Uncle Blaze is about to roll out for qualifying in the super late model. Chase qualified on the pole with this thing. He has not qualified 604 yet, so I think Blaze is going out right when the late models are done. Chase is coming out to qualify to 604, and then immediately after that, he's got to get in, park this thing, and jump in this, and he'll be heat racing the mod, and then he'll be running a heat later in the 604. Pretty busy night, especially with Blaze and them on the gas as well. So strategizing right there. So anyway, yeah, we about to get after it. Here we go.
Set up.
Yeah, set up
Okay.
secrets.
What we got?
Speed secrets, right?
What's your advice? Like,
My advice? I think you should take the brake pedal out.
just go, go, go. Yeah.
Uncle Blaze got up on the wheel, Cat.
Hell yeah.
That was awesome.
Man, I ain't never seen your wife so nervous.
Nervous.
I don't think she thought you should be up against the top.
Now we need a motor.
Yeah. Until you don't. Yeah. No, that was impressive. Yeah. Good run.
Yeah, real bad. I can hear it. It's great. You can hear it off the floor.
Yeah.
I was just saying it didn't look bad.
That was as hard as I can drive one. That was we should have been banging off the chip with a gear like that.
It didn't look bad.
So, what do you do?
Check the Oberg and run her till she blows. What?
No words?
At least we're gonna check the Oberg.
It was definitely on the chip.
Yeah.
Huh? That's all I had. We're gonna hope she slows down a little bit.
Yeah, that'd be great.
And yeah. Does it still look like we're all around there?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think I called it.
What's that?
1 out.
1 out. Hey, that's all right.
Yeah,
Better
no,
than
that
2 out.
was a good run.
It's his fault.
It's his fault?
It's his fault.
Was it?
Oh, it's your fault. Oh.
Good job, buddy.
Good job. Good job.
Was it better?
Way better.
Man, yeah, looked way better. You was turned hard to the left first couple laps down there, and then you figured something out and started getting
I
in.
just started driving,
Okay.
like driving in.
Yeah. Yeah.
I did use the right rear on it on the race.
Huh?
I used the right rear quarter on somebody. But to be fair,
Can't even tell.
he decided to run the bottom with me last second.
Yeah. That's a good run, though.
I think it's a hot rod.
It is. For sale.